We will have a basic overview of a hydraulic joystick. Actually, a hydraulic joystick is just a pressure reducing valve. What we have here is a graphic representation of an excavator's hydraulic system. It is just a basic thing. I have not added pilot pump, filters, and non-rotor valves, all the other things. The gear pump draws hydraulic oil from the hydraulic tank and supplies the pressurized oil to the pilot valve through filters and other valves. So it has a pressure of 40 bar stick. So when the machine starts and safety valve is on, we have a ready hydraulic oil pressure of 40 bar at the joystick. So when the joystick is operated, it supplies a pressure signal to the control valve. The pressure signal given to the control valve varies according to the angle of the joystick. More the angle is, we have more pressure. It varies from 5 to 40. This joystick is similar to a pedal valve or treadle valve in a truck. The only difference is it is hydraulically actuated, and that one is a pneumatical valve. Once the control valve gets the required pressure signal, it moves the respective spool to actuate the actuator. The movement of the spool is directly proportional to the pressure signal, and the pressure signal is directly proportional to the angle of the joystick. So by tilting the joystick, we are actually varying the pressure signal given to the control valve. The characteristics of the pressure signal from the pilot valve is shown here. In the x-axis, we have tilt angle of the stroke, and in the y-axis we have the pressure. The moment the joystick is actuated, it gives an initial pressure of 5 bar, and it goes all the way up to 40 bar. The maximum angle of the joystick varies according to the manufacturers. Suppose if we connect a pressure gauge between the control valve and the joystick with a T-piece in between and actuate the joystick, we will get the corresponding reading. We can also plot our own curve from the reading we obtain from the pressure gauge. An inadequate pilot pressure to the control valve results in slow movement or no movement of the actuator. Suppose if the motor or a boom or the arm has a slow movement or no movement, first what we have to check is the pilot pressure of the valve, and this is the symbol of the pressure reducing valve. A common misbelief is that the moment we actuate the joystick, it gives 40 bar pressure signal to the control valve. No, it doesn't happen that way. If it happens, then it will be a catastrophe. In another video, we will see how this pilot control valve or this joystick works.